Hello all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's episode, we are going to see again cotton collections. It's all going to be Chungadi saris. The Madurai Chungadi, which is really famous for its super soft quality. We are going to show you all 100 count saris, but in that we are going to see different patterns of designs. We are going to see Bandhani design. We have beautiful kolam pattern design. We have even kalamkari design in the same pattern. Very different designs we are going to see in the Chungadi sari. The material is going to be the Chungadi sari, but the designs are completely different, not the regular ones. To purchase these saris, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Before seeing the saris, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. Come on, let's start seeing the saris now. It's a very super soft Chungadi sari. The 100 count saris, very soft material this is. In the Chungadi sari, we have a beautiful bandhani design in this sari. A contrast one. This is a dark coffee brown with a yellow color combination, and throughout the body we have a beautiful bandhani design running along the body and the border. You have the same pattern. This is the pallu of the sari, and this sari do not carry a blouse. It's 5.5 meters and the price of the sari is 510. We have some lovely color combinations in this. This is a dark brown with a yellow combination. The next is a dark green. I'm not opening all the saris, I'm just showing the colors. This is a dark green with a yellow combination again. Very pretty color combinations, beautiful designs. This is the body, and this would be the pallu of the sari. Yeah, all the saris will have some different beautiful pallus, pretty ones. The next color combo is pink with maroon. A lovely pink with a dark maroon, a dark lotus pink, more of a dark lotus pink in that maroon color combination. Same bandhani design in the Chungadi saris. The next is a rust with maroon combination, light rust with maroon. Very pretty combinations, all super soft material, lovely designs and beautiful material. A rust with a maroon. The next is a sapphire green with dark coffee brown border. Pretty color combinations, all bandhani designs in the Chungadi sari. Look really nice. This is the pallu of the sari, and this is the body of the sari. The next is a nice red with yellow combination, beautiful red with yellow combination, and all these saris are priced at 510. This is the body of the sari, and this is the pallu, a beautiful batik pallu, and the price of the sari is 510. The next is a dark fenugreek color with that a maroon color combination. This is the body of the sari, a pretty color combo, and this is the pallu of the sari. The next is a chutney green in that a dark maroon combination, chutney green with a dark maroon, a lovely color combo. And the price of the sari is 510. The next combination is maroon with yellow combination. It's more of a mango yellow. Very pretty color combination. All super fine quality. And the price of the sari is 510. This is the body of the sari. And this is the pallu of the sari. And the price of the sari is 510. The next is a dark fenugreek with a dark maroon combination, and the price of the sari is 510. And the last combination in this lot is green, a parrot green with a dark maroon combination. Very pretty, lovely combination. This is the body of the sari. This is the body of the sari, and this is the pallu of the sari. And the price of the sari is 510. This is again a very soft Chungadi sari. It's all 100 counts, really soft material and a very pretty design. This is all called wax prints, very different pattern. Very beautiful design. Both the sides a small batik type border, and throughout the body we have a diagonal pattern design running along the body. Looks really simple, neat, class. And this is the pallu of the sari. And these saris do not carry blouses. The sari length is 5.5 meters. It is without the blouse, and the price of the sari is 600. And we have some pretty colors in this combination. This is the first one is more of a Vadamalli shade, a dark purple Vadamalli shade. This is a maroon, a very pretty color combo, a beautiful design, dark maroon. I'll just open and show this. This is the body of the sari, a pretty design, and this the pallu will be this. The pallu of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 600. The next color combo in the same pattern is dark navy blue with a Ramar blue combination. Again a very pretty color combo. Looks really nice. Very pretty design, so that you can have a closer looks. I'll open and show also the body. So this is how it is, a more a diagonal pattern design. Look really nice. Then next is a green, chutney green. This is the body of the sari, a more of a chutney green color combo, and the price of the sari is 600. The next is a navy blue with the sapphire green combination. The body is dark navy blue. This is the body of the sari. This is the body of the sari, a dark navy blue with a sapphire green combination, and this is the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu, and the price of the sari is 600. The next combo is beautiful red, a more of a chili red. This is the body of the sari, a very lovely color combo. Nice sari, very ideal for this summer. We are just showing again and again summer collections because lot of people are asking for summer collections only now. This is a dark brown with a mustard color combination, diagonal pattern design. Very pretty color combo, dark brown with mustard, and the price of the sari is 600. This is again a dark brown with tomato pink combination. This is the body of the sari, a very lovely color combo. Like these saris look really very pretty. It even suits my dress. The price of the sari is 600. The next is a pink, a dark pink. This is the body of the sari, a very pretty body, pretty color combo, and the price of the sari is 600. This is again a very pretty design. In the Chungadi sari itself, we have a beautiful kalamkari pattern. Both the sides we have a contrast pink color border. In that we have zari border also, and throughout the body it's a beautiful kalamkari design which has been running along the body. It's all kalamkari prints. Very pretty design, and the pallu of the sari is again a beautiful kalamkari pallu. Looks really classy and very rich, super nice, and the price of this sari is 610. We have one more color combo in this, very pretty color combo. The next is going to be a beautiful blue with a yellow color combination. I'll open and show you the design in this also. Very pretty designs and colors. The body of the sari is a floral print, kalamkari floral print. Looks really nice. See? Looks really very elegant sari. A blue with a yellow color combination, and throughout the body it's a very pretty floral pattern kalamkari design on the body. And this is the pallu of the sari, again a kalamkari pallu, a pretty design. And this sari do not carry blouse. This is just 5.5 meters, and the price of this sari is 610. This is a beautiful pattern, kolam pattern design, Chungadi sari. Very different design. The color is a dark navy blue with pink combination. On the borders we have a batik pattern design, and throughout the body a beautiful kolam pattern design running on the body. Looks very different. very different design. This is the pallu of the sari, and this sari do not carry blouse, and the length of the sari is just 5.5 meters. It's only the sari, you don't have blouse for these saris, and the price of the sari is 600. We have some lovely color combination in this pattern. I'll show you the other colors. This is dark navy blue with pink. This is a dark peacock blue shade, very different shade. This is the body of the sari, a pretty color combo in that white color kolam pattern design, very pretty one. And this is the pallu of the sari, a different pallu, and the price of the sari is 600. The next is a very pretty pink, a beautiful pink, lovely design, pink with white combo. And this is the pallu of the sari, a pretty pallu, and the price of the sari is 600. The next is again one more lovely shade, dark coffee brown with mustard combination. Look class, the color looks so classy, very pretty design and a beautiful color. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the price of the sari is 600. The next is a dark green with mustard combination, beautiful color, lovely design. This is the body of the sari, and this is the pallu, and the price of the sari is 600. The last combo in the same pattern is dark navy blue with a ramar blue combination. This is the body of the sari, a pretty design, a very pretty kolam pattern design. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the price of the sari is 600. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the collections. Very pretty designs and colors, and a very nice material. And this is these are going to be just ideal for the summer. To purchase these saris, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.